sophisticated and elegant. This golden white dahlia was created by pouring paint on canvas and then swiping it outwards with a spoon. I'm so loving this one. Guys, check out today's creation video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camile. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Tonight I want to do another beautiful dahlia using a spoon to create this flower. Guys, I have already poured my base colors on my canvas. As you can see, I've started off with the black and that beige color in the center. Custom mixed beige color, and for the flower itself I'm using gold and pearl white. Also, I'm using a custom mix bluish, grayish, silverish pearl. Alright, so it's actually a Martha Stewart color that I had, but I added some silver to it, making it a bit of a blue, sort of a silver tone pearl. I will be listing all the colors that I'm using in the description box below, so do go ahead and check that out. Guys, remember, if you do give this technique a try, wipe your spoon clean at each time you swipe, okay? It's very important that you do that. Use the side edge of the spoon and simply just swipe outwards. It's a fun technique. This video only took me around 30 minutes, but hey, I speed it up a bit because, you know, it's just a repetition here, guys. You know, if you do want to give this a try and you do like the color combination, sometimes we creators, we post you know, the same videos in different colors because sometimes it's the colors that really, you know, speak to someone. All right, I really do love this color combination, and if you guys do check this video all the way out to the end, you will see me do something different that I haven't done in any of my videos as yet. I will be spinning this one out to see if I can open up the petals a bit more. It's just something that I thought of last minute, so you know, just check it out. Maybe it doesn't make a difference, but you know, it's something that I think I want to continue doing in some of my, you know, more videos to come in the future. All right, so do check it out, guys, and if you do like this one, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so whenever I post a new video you are notified. Thank you all so much, and I do hope I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away. Thank you. Here it is, a close-up of the wet result. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that the spinning of this dahlia flower here opens out the petals? I think it did. I can tell in some of the petals, you know, where I had excess paint, it stretches it out. And that's the thing whenever you're gonna spin out your art. If you do have a lot of paint on the canvas, it will stretch, it will spin out, it will expand. Do love this dahlia flower. Do love the gold in here. It's 24 karat gold by DecoArt, and I do love how I create the center, add in the pearl white first, and then put in that silver blue pearl paint in the middle of the pearl white here, guys. Do love it. Do love how defined the petals are, guys. And if you swipe, you know, with the side edge of the spoon, you can get the same result. Loving it, loving it, loving it. It's so elegant and soft. Here it is, dried and in a frame on my fireplace. No finish to this, no resin, no varnish, but I just wanted to show you how clean and defined it looks, you know, with a nice framed background. It's just amazing. I do love it. Really do love this one. Really want to inspire someone to give this technique a try. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. And of course, if there's any color combination that you would love for me to try, don't forget to, share that as well in the comment section. And of course, guys, thank you so much for sticking around with me all the way to the end. Do check out my playlist here, my Dahlia Spoon Swipe playlist, and my other flowers if you want to try something different. And I will see you guys next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.